Greetings of the day everyone and welcome to GHRCE NewsDesk August 2025. I am Vedika Mangalgiri, bringing you the latest updates, achievements and highlights from GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur. Let's start with the main headlines of this month. 12th IEEE sponsored iSTET SIP 25 International Conference was held at GHRCE. A health camp was organized for students' well-being. Synergy 25 Student Representative Council Forum Installation Ceremony was also held in this month. GHRCE 25 Ganeshotsav celebration with talent and devotion. External academic and administrative audit was also successfully conducted. A tree plantation drive was conducted by Phoenix Forum. Let's dive into the details of these highlights. Starting off with the 12th IEEE International Conference on Emerging Trends in Engineering and Technology. Signal and Information Processing was successfully hosted on 1st and 2nd August 25, sponsored by IEEE and GHR Lab and Research Center. The event covered cutting-edge areas like signal processing, AIML, biomedical engineering and IoT. Chief guest Mr. Deepak Mathur, IEEE Vice President MGA, along with Dr. C.B. Raj Pillai of IIT Bombay, graced the occasion. Out of over 1,000 papers submitted, 250 were selected through a rigorous review process and will be published in IEEE Explore. From academic excellence to student well-being, GHRCE continues to focus on holistic growth. Let's take a look at the health camp organized for students. A special health camp was held to promote student well-being. Students avail health checkups and ENT consultations with faculty extending full support. Director Dr. Sachin Untawale encouraged students to balance academic with self-care. The camp highlighted GHRCE's commitment to holistic growth. Along with health, leadership and teamwork are equally important. This was highlighted in the Synergy Student Representative Council Forum Installation Ceremony. On 4th August 2025, the Synergy Installation Ceremony welcomed newly elected SRC members and departmental forums. The event included Saraswati Vandana, badge distribution and vibrant cultural performances. Director Dr. Sachin Untawale addressed the gathering, emphasizing leadership and teamwork. The ceremony concluded with national anthem and a flag activity. While leadership events added enthusiasm, the festive spirit of Ganeshotsav brought creativity and devotion through GHRCE. The festive spirit came alive with GHRCE. Events included Abhyudaya, a patriotic singing competition, Pratibimb, an idol making contest, and Chitrakriti, a poster making competition. Esteemed judges appreciated the creativity and devotion displayed. The celebration beautifully blended tradition with talent, marking a vibrant start to the festive season. Beyond cultural activities, GHRCE also focused on continuous quality enhancement through external academic and administrative audit. From 29th August to 4th September 2025, GHRCE conducted its external academic and administrative audit with experts from reputed institutions. The audit assessed teaching learning processes, research, governance and support services. The panel appreciated GHRCE's strong academic culture, outcome-based education and modern teaching practices, while also suggesting measures for further improvement. Alongside academic reviews, GHRCE is also committed to environmental responsibility. This was reflected in the tree plantation drive by the Phoenix Forum. On 4th August 25, the Phoenix Forum organized a tree plantation drive inaugurated by Director Dr. Sachin Untawale, HOD Dr. Mangala Madankar, faculty and students. 5 saplings were planted symbolizing sustainability and unity. This initiative reflected GHRCE's commitment to a greener and eco-friendly future. That wraps up the August 25 edition of GHRCE NewsDesk. I am Vedika Mangalgiri and it was a pleasure bringing you these updates. Stay tuned for more stories of innovation, growth and celebration at GHRCE. Thank you for watching.